Missing teen last seen at home on Boxing Day. Woman dies, daughter injured in St. Anne crash. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. An Ananda alert has been activated for 16-year-old Analise Jones of 10th Street, Kingston 12, who has been missing since Boxing Day, December 26. She is of dark complexion and slim build. Reports from the Trenchtown police are that Annalise was last seen at home about 3 p.m. At the time, she was dressed in a black and white dress and white slippers. All efforts to locate her since have proven futile, the police stated. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Analise Jones is asked to contact the Trenchtown police at 876-948-8243, the police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. A woman has died as a result of injuries she sustained in a motor vehicle crash in Monique St. Anne on Tuesday night. Her daughter is also nursing injuries as a result of the crash. The deceased is 30-year-old Daniela Parker of Swamp Lane in Bogwalk, St. Catherine. Reports from the Monique police are that about 11 p.m., Parker and her child were traveling in a motor car when a tire blew out and the driver subsequently lost control of the vehicle. Both females were reportedly thrown from the vehicle and sustained multiple injuries. They were transported to hospital, where Parker succumbed to her injuries and her daughter admitted for treatment.